Alright guys, what's going on today? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be going over the Genesis 3.8. Now this Genesis is the one we took last year, the SFR. We got a stage 1.5 tune on it. We got the TCU tune as well because it has the 8-speed automatic. And this thing is crazy. Let's check it out. Actually, we're going to move the car. It's a bit windy. Genesis right here. Now it's a bit windy, so the mic might be picking up a bit of wind. So give me a heads up. But anyways, yeah, this is it. So we're on the GT rims. We got them powder coated bronze, and we still have the red Brembo calipers and everything. Now with the car itself, we got a catback exhaust. So we got an in-gen catback exhaust, so from secondary cat all the way down, and we got cold air intake on this thing along with stage 1.5 tune, ECU tune, and we did TCU tune. So this is the car itself. So we got ourselves a front lip spoiler, we got ourselves some side skirts, got some nice Bridgestone Torrenza tires on it. And there's the exhaust. You can see that says InGen. The InGen exhaust, you can see that. Yeah, and we got custom taillights done. So this is inside the car. So we had black seats in here previously, and instead we got the caramel brown seats, the beige seats, which are they're pretty sexy. They're pretty clean. Look at that. Oh, so that's it from here. We're gonna give it a little start up now. Just push to start. You know, no keys, push to start. Woo. That thing's mean. So that's it right there. With the engine itself, we haven't done too many mods, but yeah, all we did was the cold air intake so far. You can see right here. So we got our AEM cold air intake, and we got the catback exhaust, and like I said, we got the tune on there. This thing runs pretty quick, and it backfires quite a bit. If you have 3.8, you already know. Let's get some revs. So that is crazy on it. Now we're gonna go for a drive. You're gonna see this beast in action. All right, this is the beast. Look at that thing. We got both Jennies side by side. You already know. Raw. All right, so we're gonna go for a drive right now. You're gonna see how this thing goes. All right, so I'm gonna take this thing off the line and turn off that traction. So this has a two-step traction, so we gotta turn off both. There you go, traction, stability off. And let's take this thing. Yeah, I got her in S still. This thing in S. So we're not gonna drive Triptronic yet. We're gonna drive S and see how it goes. Holy shit. This thing sounds amazing. You guys can probably hear that exhaust noise. This thing sounds nice. Jeez. It's got some backfires on this thing. That exhaust sounds amazing, all right? I'm in Triptronic right now, so. This thing fucking goes. Jeez. I'm trying to get it to backfire. I'm used to my 2.0s backfiring, so I'm not 100% on this, but let's see. There you go. That 3.8, look at that thing. Holy. So like I said, that was it. I'm gonna do one rev in the car. I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds. So this is it in the car. So this is our 3.8. We did There's some good stuff on this. Like I said, that's what the TCU tune from SFR and the stage 1.5 custom dyno tune. All right, these aren't canned tunes, these are straight custom. All right, this thing, it fucking hauls ass. This thing hauls. The 8-speed picks up better. Now if you drive a regular 8-speed, the transmission isn't that great. It needs a tune on it. All right, and same with the traction. The thing about the 3.8s automatic is that if the car loses traction, it usually cuts off most of the power, but this thing doesn't cut the power. This is Jay at SFR. He helped us bypass some of this stuff in the factory settings. So when traction's fully off, you want to go sideways, this thing will go sideways, as you've seen just what I did over there. But yeah, like I said, this thing is nice. So far we got catback exhaust on this. We still have the 3.8. We did spark plugs, intake, all that, you know, sort of stuff. And so far running good. Anyways, yeah, this was us with the 3.8 thing. Oh, it shifted on me there. This thing fucking goes. Jeez. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos to come. We're gonna do this Jenny. I gotta do that Jenny next. And yeah, we're gonna do quite a bit of stuff to come. So stay tuned.